In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. To get started though, what you're going to want to do is select this settings wheel icon down in the bottom right, and up at the very top you're going to see all these tabs. Go ahead and navigate over to the audio tab, which is that fourth one up at the top. Now from here, scroll down, and what you're looking for specifically is an option that says Raider voice heard by, and what you're going to want to go ahead and do is tick it to whatever setting you would like. So if you only want it to be able to be heard by proximity, go ahead and put it on proximity. For everyone, you could put it here as well. And then there's also a Raider voice selection where you could filter through and find a voice that you would like to go ahead and match. Now this is in beta right now, meaning it doesn't work every single time, but it does work 90% of the time. And it's even going to tell you over on the right hand side of your screen that Raider voice lets you select your voice for your Raider and change your sound in party and proximity chat. It's honestly pretty sick. But yeah, as you scroll through all of these options, it's going to kind of like play a preview in the background so you can hear exactly what it sounds like. I think they are using AI for this feature, but it is pretty cool nonetheless. Whenever you choose the voice that you want, just back out. You don't have to save anything and you'll be good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.